Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete pets in Widgetable. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to delete pets in Widgetable? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so can you delete a pet in Widgetable? No, you cannot delete a pet in the Widgetable app, but there is an alternative to deleting a pet in the app. So you can dormant your pet and reactivate it anytime you want. So how do you do this? Step one is open your Widgetable app, of course. Step two, tap on the pet option from the menu to see your pet widget. So as you can see here, it says top middle of the menu. Step three, tap on the pet option under pet lock widget. Step four, tap on the all pet option, as you can see here. Step five, you will find all your active pets under this section. So this is your collection, your list. Step six, tap on the three dot icon next to the pet you want to deactivate. This is what you see here. Step seven, select on the inactivate option. A pop-up will appear and it's going to show inactivate, rename, and pin. Tap on inactivate, and then give a confirmation by tapping on dormant button. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. That's the fix. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.